Hello students, this is my first video physical appearance. As I've been doing audio videos, try to improve on those things. We'll continue with the problems of trigonometric ratios. This is the second problem. As I've written on the board, if tan x equals 1 by 3, find the value of 4 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 2. So tan x is given. So it's in mixed fraction form. So we convert it to fraction form as 3 ones are 3 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 4 by 3. Now you get it in the ratio form. So you get back to right angle triangle as I've explained earlier. Draw right angle triangle and mark the angles. And that one of the angle is going to be equal to 90 degrees. Now as you know, this is the hypotenuse and these two are the acute angles. Now one of these acute angles I can mark this as x. For example, I'll take C as x. So according to the ratio, tan is opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is 4, adjacent is going to be 3. Now if I want sine value and cos value, I have to know hypotenuse. So we go into Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is saying that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB value is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25. Shift that square root that side. So AC is going to be equal to root 25. So measurement value, so AC is going to be equal to 5 units. So we take hypotenuse value as 5. Now we require two values, sine and cos. Therefore, sine x. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, so sine value is going to be 4 divided by 5. Then you require cos, so cos x is going to be adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5x. Come back to the problem, substitute and get the answer. 4 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 2 it says. So 4 into sine value is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square, because square it is. If it is cube, then it is minus 3 cos square x. So cos square value, so cos x value is going to be 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square it is, plus 2. So you substitute the value for sin x and cos x. If it is square here, square it. If it is cube, then you are going to cube it. Next is basic thing. 4 square is going to be 16 and 5 square is 25. Minus 3 into 3 square is 9, 5 square is going to be 25. Plus 2 as it is. Now multiplying property, 16 into 4 is going to be 64 divided by 25 minus 9 3s are is 27 divided by 25 plus 2 it is. Now throughout its LCM. LCM is going to be 25. So LCM is to be written in the denominator and you multiply to each term. So that means when I multiply 64 by 25 into 25, 25 gets cancelled, left over is going to be 64 minus, when you multiply this here, 25 gets cancelled, so it is going to be remaining with only 27. 25 into 2, denominator nothing is there, so 25 into 2 is going to be equal to 50. Now add these two, 64 plus 50, 4 and 11. Subtract with 27, minus 27 it is. 14 minus 7 is going to be 7, 10 minus 2 is going to be 8 it is. So 87 by 25, that is the value of it. So important is that when you have got one function, bring it into the right angle triangle and find the function values, then substitute and then do the basic properties and finish up. This is the third problem, a different one, almost similar to the first problem what I did, but there you had something here as root 2 cos A. Now since this cannot be eliminated, you have got two functions. Two functions cannot be used in a right angle triangle. So we'll take up this function what is given here. It says cosecant A plus sin A is equal to 5 1 by 5. So mixed fraction converting is 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is going to be 26 by 5 it is. Now answer is asked for cosecant square A plus sine square A. Now if you're having a square over here, that means you'll have to square on both sides. So what I say here is squaring on both sides. So when I square on both sides, this is cosecant A plus sine A whole square is equal to 26 by 5. This also has to be squared. Okay, now this is in the formula of A plus B whole square. That is A square cosecant square A plus B square is going to be sine square A plus 2AB according to A plus B whole square. 2AB is 2 into cosecant A into sine A is equal to 26 square is going to be 676 divided by 25. Now here it is in the form of expansion. Now these two are under the reciprocal ratios. Now we know that sine A reciprocal is going to be 1 by cosecant A. Now when I cross multiply it, sine A into cosecant A value is going to be equal to 1. That means the whole value of this is going to be 1. So this remains as it is because you are finding the answer for this cosecant square A plus sine square A plus 2 into the whole value of that is 1, 676 divided by 25. Now further cosecant square A plus sine square A is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is shifted, it becomes minus 2. So 676 divided by 25 minus 2 it is. Further now LCM is going to be 25. So it is 676 minus 25 into 2 is going to be 50. So as you go ahead, 676 minus 50 is going to be equal to 626 divided by 25. Therefore, cosecant square A plus sine square A is equal to. Now the part is that you can keep the answer as it is, but here answer is given, question is given in mixed fraction. So I have to convert that in mixed fraction and then get to the answer. So divide that 626 divided by 25. 25 2s are is 50. Remainder is going to be 12 and 6. 25 5s are is 125. Remainder is going to be 1. Now writing in mixed fraction, 25 1 by 25. So 25 1 by 25. So these are all a little bit of different problems. Each of the 1, 2, 3 problems are quite different. Practice it. We will come up with the other problems later on. Yeah, the next problem, fourth one. It says if 3 sin A is equal to 4 cos A, you have to find the value of tan square A minus secant square A. Condition is given. Based on condition, you are going to work out. Solution is that we'll take up the condition. 3 sin A is equal to 4 cos A. As I've told you, if you have to apply in right angle triangle, always you have to bring it under one trigonometric function. So one of that is that you can say divide by cos A, or you can cross multiply. Either you cross multiply cos or you cross multiply sin. Or you say that divide by sin or divide by cos. Any of them is going to work out. So I'll cross multiply this here. So 3 sin A divided by cos A, which is equal to 4. So according to reciprocal ratio, sin A divided by cos A is going to be tan A. Tan A is equal to 4. Therefore, tan A is equal to, so its product to be cross multiply 4 divided by 3. So that means one of the value I have got, I have to get secant square A values or secant A value. So I have to go to the right angle triangle, mark the triangle. Any one of the angle which is going to be acute, we'll say angle C is acute. So it says tan A. So I'll change this, I'll make it as A, or either that. You can swap it and make it as A there. Tan A is 4 by 3. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is 4, adjacent value is 3. So I require that hypotenuse because secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. So formula according to Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB value is 3 square, BC value is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So AC square is equal to 25, AC is equal to square root of 25. So AC is going to be equal to 5, or you can say plus or minus 5. Since measuring the sides, you will take only positive value, so we will take it as 5. You can write it as 5 units. So here the extracted value is 5. So therefore, we require secant A value. Secant A value is hypotenuse by adjacent. Cos is going to be adjacent by hypotenuse. Reciprocal of cos is secant. So secant A value is 5 by 3 it is. Now to the problem. Tan square A minus secant square A is. So tan A value, that is tan A is equal to 4 by 3 whole square. Secant A value, that is 5 by 3 whole square it is. So 4 square is going to be 16, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 3 square is going to be 9. Further, common LCM. So common LCM is 9. So 16 minus 25. 16 minus 25 is minus 9 divided by 9. Cancels, is equal to minus 1. Okay, work it out and don't forget to subscribe. That will help in improving the videos with many other problems to come up. Thank you.